changing the air filter on my W124. This is my 1994 E320. So it's best to do this with the engine cold. I put the hood in service position. That's really easy to do if you don't know how. It's these two latches on the left and right sides. This is the OEM filter made by MAN. Here is the part number C31144. So it's pretty easy. We can start by unclipping the mass airflow sensor. There's a clip at the top right here and one at the bottom that you can't see. And unclip the air box all around. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once all that's unclipped, we can actually just pull it up and out of the way. Now we have access to our air filter. So we can go ahead and pull the filter out. You can actually see it's not too dirty. Clean out the inside, whatever you see in here, and then replace it with the new filter. So once the new filter is in, we can place the cover back on. And the easiest way to do this is to line up the mass airflow sensor. And we can kind of get this situated in place like so. Now we can start clipping everything down. Once you have everything clipped down, that's all there is to it. Hope you found the video helpful. Thank you for watching.